Storytelling traffic insights have done more research, more friendly, more respectful, more funny, or without low-fall restrictions. Ride the wave, reasons why. What does it mean? It means going with opportunities, adapting to life, staying positive, and not panicking every time life gets dramatic like a soap opera soundtrack. Life won't always be perfect, but you can still learn how to surf through challenges, confidence, and humor. Ride the wave means stay flexible, keep learning, stay calm, keep moving forward. Don't let every little problem become a full movie trailer. One, life changes fast. 1 minute everything is calm, next minute your phone battery is at 2%. Reason why adapting help people handle surprises better. 2. Stress doesn't solve everything. Panicking usually makes situation feel bigger. Reason why staying calm improves decision making. 3. Opportunities come unexpectedly. Sometimes good chances appear randomly. Reason why being flexible helps people grow. For small problems pass, bad moments don't last forever. Reason why patience helps during difficult situations. 5. Learning new skills helps. Technology changes quickly. Even refrigerators are becoming smarter than homework sometimes. Reason why adapting keeps life interesting. 6. Positive energy spreads. Calm people often help others relax too. Reason why good attitudes improve teamwork and friendship. 7. Overthinking creates extra drama. You imagine 47 disasters, then nothing actually happened. Reason why relaxing prevents unnecessary stress. 8. Every wave teaches us something. Reason why growth comes from experience. 9. Flexibility makes life easier. Plans change sometimes. That's normal. Reason why flexible thinking reduces frustration. 10. Humor helps a lot. Laughing during awkward moments make things less stressful. Reason why humor improves emotional balance. 11. Confidence builds over time. The more challenges in survive, the stronger you feel. Reason why experience creates resilience. 12. Teamwork helps. Riding a wave alone is harder than having a support. Reason why comrades, community makes challenges easier. 13. Not every problem needs instant action. Sometimes resting and first smarter. Reason why clear thinking improves solutions. 14. Life has ups and downs. Every successful people have difficult days. Reason why challenges are part of growth. 15. Riding the wave feels better than fighting everything. Some situation improve faster when you stay calm and adaptable. Reason why distance and patience create a peace of mind.